Let's kill him now. I wanna look at his face on Sunday too.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Someone get the last one. Thank you.
Siege more coming. Spread out. Stack with me. Use your personal cooldowns to survive.
It's quality.
Laser coming.
Using bubble for
Tar
the
coming.
Shock pulse on 5.
Get them bubble, get them bubble. Spread out now, get the mines. Don't stand in the tower.
Can you take it?
Yeah, I can take it.
Want me
Third
to
shot
take him?
pulse coming soon. No,
I'll take-
never
I'll
mind,
take it.
sorry. That was my bad.
I'll take him.
Yeah, take it. Pull him back. I miscalculated that. Stay out of tower, that's on the ground. Keep moving, come with us range, we don't have to run forever to get to their mines. Nothing.
Get a mine for me. Thank you, Tim.
You're very welcome.
Keep focusing now, don't fucking die.
Taunting.
Fucking ricochet. Taunting. Spread out.
Got personals for this one.
Stack with me now.
Ascendance.
Ascendance, Birdlink, whatever we have. Good, good, good. What do we have for a second one?
Still have a spirit link, I
I've
think.
got Spirit Stink still.
Yeah, use that for the second shock pulse.
The fuck, do we both take down?
I got Devo in 5 seconds.
No, I've still got mine.
I'll
Good.
bubble the next one.
Yeah, bubble the third one.
Incoming tower.
Stay inside the bubble.
I've still
Get out
got
of the
Spirit.
tower, get out of the tower.
Get out, yeah, get out of that shit.
Ow. I'll take him.
Okay, focus up, don't fucking die. Keep moving with him, don't fall too far behind so we don't get mines.
Survival instinct, so should be able to keep myself up.
Focus. Fucking kill the bastard.
Instincts down.
I'll taunt him. Good job, guys. Good fucking job.
Did you get it on trap?
Oh yeah.
So did I.
Awesome.
By the way, my braces were broken that whole fight.
Now you're heroic leg strap, fuck we.
That's okay, when I'm fired, doesn't
Raider.
matter.
Oh well, you got shoulders to make up for it, heroic ones.
Doesn't matter when I'm fired anyway.